Very, very good evening, friends. This is Rahul Ghosh here. Can all of you all confirm if you can hear my voice loud and clear? Fantastic. And I hope all of you can see my screen. You should be seeing Trade Tiger on my screen currently. Yes. Fantastic. How's everybody doing this evening? We meet after a long, long haul. Prabhu, it's good to be back in the room as well. I think at least 20, 22 days since I was here. Yeah, so we have very few people right now in the session. I think about 70 people. So we'll have to wait for a couple of minutes as always, and then we'll go ahead and start the session. So let's wait for a minute or two and then go ahead and start the session. Okay, I think today the entry is a little slow, guys. Only 100 people as of now. We are already 4 minutes in the session. Krishna, I didn't understand your statement, my friend. What were you trying to say? What is the 11%? Good evening, Vishal. Good to see you. Binny, in this session as well, but good to see you. Bhaskar, finally. Krishna, 11% is a return on capital for this month. Yes, Dhyan Shekhar, we are going to look at Dhyaneshwar. We'll have a look at that. Yes, Lawrence, it's good to be back. Satish, it is not a blanket rule that whether you buy options first half or second half of the month. It doesn't work that way. Good to be here, Srinivas. Thank you. Good evening, Gajanan and Aman. Still 109 people and counting. I'm going to cover Nifty, my sir. Good to see you in the session. No, this is not an options class, unfortunately, Satish. Fantastic, Krishna. Do I have a small role to play in that 11% return? I hope I do, and if I do, I would love to see your profits over mail so I can see firsthand how you've made money. If you can, send me the ledger also. Harsh, I'm glad you make money. Yes, there is a recording for this session, Disha. 120 and counting. We are at 9:06 already, guys. Aman, I'm glad. All time frames should make you money. That's the way to go. Giridhari, welcome. Due to cricket match, people are watching IPL. Okay, let's go ahead and start, guys, because it's 9:06. Let's go ahead and start. A lot of people talking about world markets, so we're going to start with the world markets first. Market watch. Summer vacation, global markets down. Let's start with US. What is US telling us? US has a sea of red. 257 points down in the Dow. The S&P is down 28. Nasdaq is down 110. What about Europe? Europe also a deep sea green. Finally, I thought we are never going to see any red on the screen. A little red always helps. Bhaskar, Nifty going down 400 points in one day, I really doubt. In this sort of euphoric market, I don't expect that to happen, Bhaskar. Anyway, let's go ahead and start our session, friends. We're going to start off with Nifty. Yes, so what was our view in Nifty the last time we were here in monthly income, friends? What was our view on Nifty? I have 150 people in the house, so I think I should expect a few answers. What was my view on Nifty? We are in 17th of May. The last time we met, buying on dips, go long on dips. Absolutely. My strategy moving forward was we are not expecting the markets to go down. Any consolidation should be used as a buying opportunity, and we are looking to buy at dips. I want you guys to notice point number one. Have you noticed every time Nifty has had some sort of consolidation, it has broken out? Guys, can you give me a yes or a no? Yeah, okay. Can you see whenever Nifty has had a consolidation, it is broken out? Look over here as well, friends. Even this was trading in a range. Both the cases, Nifty were trading in a range. Let me change the color. Black. No, I don't expect that to happen, Kiran. Black and black. Every time Nifty has been trading in a range, it has broken out to the upside, including over here. One point I need all of you all to keep in mind that which was the sector that was taking our markets towards the upside? Which was the sector taking our markets towards the upside? It was the banking sector. No, primarily the bank index was responsible for taking our markets up. But if you look at the Nifty Bank, although the same structure followed, that whenever we had a trading range, we broke out. Look over here, guys. Whenever there was a small range, we normally broke out of that range. That is correct, Manoj. But look over here, friends. The last range over here, although Nifty has broken out of this range, you will notice that Bank Nifty has not broken out of this range. Nifty that has broken out of this range, Bank Nifty has not broken out of this range. Yes, and if Bank Nifty has not broken out of this range, you will notice actually for the last couple of days, Bank Nifty has been underperforming the Nifty, the biggest constituent of Nifty, the biggest reason why Nifty rallied is actually not leading Nifty anymore. So the first sign of a stall was very, very clear. The first time of a stall was very, very clear. In fact, friends, we are not changing our view of buying or dips, but we are changing our buy stance to 93.50. Can you see this level over here, friends? I have a drop, base and a rally with an entry at 9350 and a stop loss over here at 9252 or thereabouts. This is a monthly income long and the only place I am happy buying Nifty. Giridhari, because I am happier buying after some consolidation. Satish, Bank Nifty has not broken out of the range even though Nifty has broken out 4 days back. That is why in Bank Nifty, if it underperforms, which it has been doing, we are expecting consolidation, but nothing changes my buy on dips view. Nothing changes. Entry at 9351 with a stop at 9252. I am not planning any intraday trades, Aman, in Nifty, and I don't recommend people to trade intraday also in Nifty unless a phenomenal level presents itself in front of you. In fact, if you are looking for a daily income trade, Aman, what I would suggest is there is a 30-minute level which coincides with this. Although I'm happier taking the daily, let me refresh this back to 90 days. Bhaskar, I am happy with that daily level, to be honest with you. That's the only good level I can see. Drop, base and a rally. This is a 30-minute level which you can look to go long. That's okay, Ravindranath. That's okay. That candle is 51% only. We can consider it that way. Yes, but if this is again for a conservative trader, for an aggressive trader, a conservative trader should take only the smaller level. Hitarth, this is not a good time to invest heavy because market is at all-time high. The stop loss for this would be at 9298 and the entry would be at 9335. The 30-minute level is smaller. Entry would be at 9335. You will notice I like taking aggressive entries and aggressive stops. Nothing else appeals to me in Nifty, friends. I am not happy being a buyer on this upper level. I am not happy being a buyer at this upper level. Now, how many of you are attending the monthly income session for the first time, friends? Aman, 30-minute level, if you're talking, yes, I agree. How many of you are attending my monthly income session for the first time? Anil, right now an investment level is not in the offing with respect to Nifty. Habib, we like to make that a practice, I hope. Okay, fantastic. Welcome all of y'all to the monthly income session. A lot of old time here, but anytime you find my pace a little bit fast, friends, I'm happy to share with you my that my parents are watching your presentation with me, sir, as they heard so much about Pallavi. Very sweet of you to say that, Pallavi. Like I always say, and this goes to every one of you, friends. If you've made money, I don't want people to tell me. Send me your ledger and show me that yes, you've made the money in your account. दीपक, मैं ये कह रहा था कि although buying on dips हमारा strategy होने वाला है, 9350 पे ही हम long लेने वाले हैं, उसके पहले नहीं. भावना, welcome to the session. Yeah, clear everybody. There is no good looking level on Bank Nifty, friends. There is no good looking level with respect to Bank Nifty. Only Nifty we are going to look to trade. I told you Bank Nifty is been trading in a range and looking weak. So that small consolidation can bring Nifty down where we are looking to take advantage of the ongoing uptrend. Rameshwar, did you make money? Priyanka, I expect the uptrend to remain intact. I don't see anything dithering it. Pranav, we should have actually already done. Sir, please daily view on Nifty, Bank Nifty. That is what I'm giving. Dhyaneshwar, this is my view on Nifty and Bank Nifty, my friend. Yeah. Clear everybody with respect to Nifty and Bank Nifty. Shall we move forward? Shall we move forward? Should we book profits? My God, there's so many questions. It's all just traveling by. Before we start every monthly income session, what is the ritual that we do? A ritual that we do before we start, we are holding that trade, Priyanka. Before we start any monthly income session, we recap all the trades that we had taken the last time around. Yes, let's recap all the trades we had discussed the last month or the last time or the last week, whenever we met. Okay, and we are going to start out with the stopped out trades first. First stopped out trade was Torrent Pharma, friends. Would all of you agree with me? Torrent Pharma was the first stopped out trade. We had a drop base rally and prices went through it. Nothing we can do about that. Ujjivan, we are not yet stopped out, friends. Ujjivan, actually we got saved by I think 1 rupee or so because I'm still in the trade. We have gotten an entry in both tranches with respect to Ujjivan, but we are not stopped out. Yes, Vishal, my Torrent Pharma, I had very clearly mentioned it was an aggressive trade. Thank you for remembering it. You can get into Ujjivan if you want now, Satish, because we are still in that level. Any other stopped out trades, friends? I like to start with the trades that got us stopped out. Any other stopped out trades? One more stopped out trade we had was Britannia. Absolutely, we had a short planned. Again, would all of you agree? I had very distinctly mentioned that this trade was aggressive. You will notice that in the chat window, I had mentioned that this trade was expensive. Bhargav, our level in Britannia was over here. And we had mentioned the trade was aggressive because the location was not very great. So we had two stopped out trades. Yes, Kiran, you can. Auropharma. Yes, we have gotten an entry in Auropharma. And we are in the trade if my memory is correct. We've gotten an entry and we are in the trade. Yes, absolutely. ICICI Bank. We had a daily level over here and a level below level. Look at the move in ICICI Bank, ladies and gentlemen. I think the screen should be self-explanatory. Where we had planned an entry somewhere over here, we planned a stop loss somewhere over here, we had a level over level, and this is the result. We had skyrocketing prices. Question to all of you all, how many of you had taken the ICICI Bank trade? Give me a me if you had taken it. That is absolutely phenomenal. I think I have about 50 to 60 me's over here, guys. That is how money is made. Then I had Tata Steel. Tata Steel, I had a daily level. Ruthvik, I'm glad you find it brilliant. A rally base rally followed by another rally base rally, and we had an aggressive entry. Well, you will normally notice that I take aggressive trades, Prahlad. My entry is always a little above. That is how I knew it won't come back to the zone. Do I need to say anything else, or is the screen self-explanatory, guys? Look at the feather touch and the move we had upside. Yes, Bhaskar, you can take it. Question, how many of you had taken the Tata Steel trade? Regret not taking it. Wow. Oh, wow. A lot of people. Next, we had an entry in VDL. Correct me if I'm wrong, friends. I had a drop, base, and a rally. Look at the feather touch, and prices are currently more than 20 rupees in our favor. Yes, VDL doing good. I'm in the trade as well. Giridhari, unfortunately, you exited early. Even I'm holding it, Bini. Next, we had Adani Ports. If I remember correctly, Bini, you had taken Adani Ports. I had a level over here, followed by another level over here. Do I need to say anything else, or is the screen self-explanatory on the move, friends? I can go on and on, friends. We had TCS. TCS, I had a daily level over here. Rally, base, rally. Again, do I need to say anything, or is it the screen self-explanatory? I had a feather touch and skyrocketing prices from TCS. I can go on and on and on, friends, with the levels. I can go on and on. Tata Motors has moved in our favor. Absolutely right. Hind Motor moved in our favor. Absolutely right. Yes, Adani, we have booked out profits, Krishna. Now, the question I want to ask everybody over here, the 205 people, if 6 calls have made us money and we lost money on 2 calls, and out of the 6 calls that make us money, all of them have skyrocketed. Question to all of you all, have I done anything different, friends? You can't tell me, no, that is incorrect, that Rahul, how is it that the level you're marking prices are skyrocketing? There is nothing different that I'm doing. I've been telling you all time and again this. It is not that I'm doing anything different. It is I spend that much effort in scanning. Question to all of you all. Out of the so many trades I've mentioned over here, how many of you net made money? Give me a yes if you made money. Wow. That is really, really overwhelming. What I would really like, friends, what I would really like, I want all of y'all to share with me how you've made money, be it ledgers, be it writing a mail. Share with me that how you've made money. Yes, and if you send me the ledgers, it's even better. Share with me your success on LinkedIn. All these calls, after they have played out, are on YouTube. You can subscribe to my YouTube channel, but I want you to show me that you have actually made this money and just not saying yes. Because I can talk all night long, I can talk all day long. You need to show ledger to show that you've made money. Because that was not a good looking supply zone in TCS, Giridhari. Shall we get on with today's trades, friends, or do you all have any questions with any of the trades that we discussed? Any questions with any of the trades we discussed? Quickly run through them. All the new friends of mine who have joined monthly income, let me tell you that I don't want you all to blindly follow the trades. I want you all to understand the rationale of how is it that it is done. That is the most important thing I feel. That